Hello, today we're going to look at markups. The learning goal is I can calculate markup and sell price. What is a markup? A markup is when a business marks the price up so that they make a profit. The business may buy an item for $10, but they may sell it to you for $15. They are marking up the price so that they will make a profit. Some items that continually are being marked up as well as being marked down are gas at the gas station, clothing. Clothing is always being either marked up or marked down, and gas, you will notice gas prices always going up and down. You can also think of some others. If you think of others, let me know in class. Now let's look at the first example. Let's say a store buys an item for $4 and then they're going to sell it to you. But in order to make a profit, they decide to mark that $4 item up by 5%. We need to find the markup and the selling price. I'm going to show you two ways to do this. The first way is to first find the markup. Okay, so first I found the markup. I found the markup by finding 5% of $4. I turned 5% into a decimal, 0.05. I multiplied it by $4 and I got 20 cents. To find the sell price, I took the $4, which was the original price, and I added the markup, which was the 20 cents. So my final price is $4.20. I did the same thing in the second example. Since the item was being marked up 12%, I found 12% of $8.25. I first turned 12% into a decimal, 0.12. I multiplied it by the price, which was $8.25, and I got 99 cents. To find what they sold the item for, the sell price, I took the $8.25 and I added it to the 99 cents to get the answer of $9.24. Next, I'm going to show you the second method. Second method, I added the 5% to 100% to get 105%. If the store is marking something up by 5%, you have to pay 100% of the item plus the 5% markup. So I found 105% of 4. I turned 105% into a decimal, 1.05, and I multiplied by 4. This automatically adds the markup in for you, and you get the final price of $4.20. I did that in the second example as well. I added 12% to 100%. I got 112% of $8.25. Then I turned 112% into a decimal, 1.12. I multiplied it by the price, which was $8.25. And I got the final answer right away of $9.24. If they don't ask you to specifically find the markup, I find the second way to be easier. Good luck and try the next problems on the Your Turn page. We will go over those in class.